You know, when you think about Jupiter, the first thing that probably comes to mind is big, right? It's the giant of our solar system. But what if I told you that's kind of the least interesting thing about it? Because Jupiter isn't just in our solar system, it built it. Today, we're diving into how this colossal world is the true architect of everything around us.
Okay, but before we get into all that cosmic architecture, let's start with a really simple, almost silly question. Just look at it, this massive, beautiful, swirling planet. Could you, land a spaceship and stand on it?
Well, the short answer? Absolutely not. No way. It's not just a bad idea, it is fundamentally impossible. And that simple no opens up a whole can of worms about what Jupiter actually is.
So, a couple of big problems here. First off, there's nothing to stand on. It's a gas giant, right? It's pretty much all hydrogen and helium. Think of it like a cloud that goes on forever. But let's say, just for fun, you found some solid core deep down. Well, the gravity is so unbelievably intense, it would crush you into a pancake in less than a second. So, yeah, bad travel destination.
Okay, so that gravity and size thing, let's really dig into that. Because to understand Jupiter's power, you first have to wrap your head around its just impossible scale. The numbers here are just wild.
All right, check this out. Imagine you could take Earth, our entire planet, and use it like a marble. You would need more than 1,300 of them, 1,300 Earths, just to fill up Jupiter. That's not just a big planet, that's a whole different kind of thing.
Okay, numbers are one thing, but here's an analogy that really works for me. If Earth was a single grape, just a little grape, Jupiter would be a full-sized basketball. Now picture that, holding a grape next to a basketball. That's us. That's our relationship in size. It really puts things into perspective, doesn't it?
So that incredible size comes with incredible mass. And mass means gravity, a lot of gravity. And this is where we get to the really cool part. This is where Jupiter stops being just a big ball of gas and starts becoming the master architect of our entire solar system.
I mean, just look at this. It's kind of hilarious. If you took every other planet, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Saturn, all of them, and you put them all on a giant cosmic scale on one side, Jupiter on the other side would still be 2.5 times heavier. It's not even a fair fight. It's the undisputed heavyweight champion of the solar system.
Get this, it's so heavy that it actually makes the sun wobble. Seriously. We think of the sun as this stationary anchor in the middle of everything, right? Well, Jupiter's pull is so strong that the actual center of gravity between the two of them isn't inside the sun, it's just outside its surface. So as Jupiter goes around, it's literally yanking our